What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Bron from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson along the top right side of our page with the bridge of the nose. We're starting in the center of our page. Let's draw a curve that goes up in the middle. Just going to round this out and then bring that down towards the right. Let's move out to the side and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, bend this down, go around, and then up. From the corners of the mouth, we're going to step in and draw the bottom of the mouth. Come down in the middle, and then back up on the right side. Now on the ends, draw two short lines coming down, and we'll fill in the outside areas. Let's move back up to the top of the muzzle and draw two small ovals angled in for the nostrils. Then we'll fill those in black. Let's line this up on the right. And then from here, we're going to wrap the cheeks around the corners of the mouth. Let's start on the left side of the muzzle, curve this up, come all the way around, and then just bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, all the way around, and we'll bend that in. Let's place the lower lip on top of the cheeks. We're going to step up, curve this down, go across, bend that up on the right side. Now you want to place the eyes on top of the muzzle, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, curve the eye going up, going to round at the top, come down, and then in, almost like a half oval. Let's move over towards the right, bring that up towards the same height, come down the side, and then in. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. Let's start from the inside edge of the left eye, draw a circle, going around, come down and in on top of the muzzle, line this up on the right, go in the opposite direction, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to draw two small circles in the center for the pupil. Starting from the top, going all the way around, and line that up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil. And it will fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the brow coming down towards the muzzle. Again, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on top of the left eye, curve this up, around, and then down on top of the cheek. Move over towards right and do the same thing. Let's add a curve along the top of the head in between the brow. Let's go back and separate the corners of the mouth. Starting over on the left, bend this up and then down towards the outside. Now from here we're going to work our way down the side of the neck. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend this around and then out. Now I'm going to overlap the back. I'm going to step back up, curve up, and then down towards the back. Let's move over towards the right side, across the front of the neck, going out, and bring that down across the top of the body, and then in. Let's separate the center of the neck. On the left side, bend this down, and then back up. Now along the bottom, we're going to separate each of the legs. Starting down here, let's start with the socket. We're going to go up, come across towards the left, and bring that all the way down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go back up to this point, bend this down towards the bottom, connect the ends with a curve. Let's line up the body over on the left side, bend this out and up towards the back leg. And then just like we did in the front, we're going to start with the socket, going up, and then bring that all the way down. Let's go back to this point, bend this down toward the bottom of the leg, and then again, just rounding out the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the tail. We're going to step up, curve the tail going out, go up, and then bend that back out. Let's bring the tail coming back down and then in on the left side of the hind leg. In. It's going to get wider as you come down and back in. Let's draw the back leg in behind the body. Just going to line this up, go out and then down. Round up the foot. And just tuck that up and in behind. Let's draw the back leg in between. Just going to draw a small curve in the center. Let's go back up to the top and add that seam. From the top of the neck on the left, step over, bend this out, go down, and then in behind the leg. Now we're just going to continue in between. I'm also going to separate the toes along the bottom of each foot. Starting from the outside, we draw 3 curves, going up and down. Go to the inside, do the same thing. And we'll do one more in between. Let's do the same thing to each of the feet. Up and then down. And then on the back hind leg, I'm just going to draw one along the right side and add one more. And I'll add 3 spots across the back. Start from the top, start with an oval. And I'll add 2 smaller ones along the bottom. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Bron from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.